The biggest issue with our house right now is a space to come together and have a meal. It would just be nice to sit. I remember growing up and you sat at the table and you had conversations and you debated and you laughed and you joked and it's just something my family hasn't experienced.
Our children, they all went to college at the same time. We had to decide, do they take out loans or do we do it for them? So we had 3 mortgage payments left on our home, and we decided to refinance our home and pay for their college.
Kids came first. Everything in the kitchen was a hand-me-down. The refrigerator, we got from somebody. Dishwasher, somebody gave us. The oven, somebody gave us that oven also. As long as everything was working in the house, that's the way it stayed.
I think you'd be really excited with what we've done in there, but obviously I'll let you guys be the judge, so without further ado, shall we go check it out?
Yes.
All right, follow me. Welcome home.
Thank you.
Oh my.
Oh my God.
Give me a freaking tissue because I'm not doing this. Come, look at this. This is so freaking gorgeous. Doesn't even look like our house.
No.
Holy crap, this is
Not
big.
at all.
This is not really in our house. How did this even happen?
My name's Olivia O'Donnell and I'm 10 years old. I started baking when I was 8 and I found a passion for it and I've been baking ever since, like at least 6 times a week.
Olivia's always been a creative child, but I believe she's really found her passion with baking.
I donated 800 cupcakes to the Really for Life and I sold them there. And we had over $3,500 donated for cancer research.
She spends a lot of time where she could be creating and baking new things, just working around the limitations of the kitchen.
You guys ready to check out the new kitchen?
So ready, so glad to be home.
You ready to do some baking in there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Check this out.
Oh my, are you kidding me with that?
That is
Oh my gosh, that is incredible.
That is so cool.
That
Have
is
you
so
ever
cool.
seen anything like that?
I don't want to leave it. If I could put a blanket and a pillow, I would sleep there, but I love it. It looks so much more open, and without the wall there, looks like a whole new space.
Kaylin was born at 27 weeks, premature. She was the beaming joy in our family because she was the first girl to be born. And then at like 15 months old, we were following up with the doctor, doing what we were supposed to do, and one day they recommended PT for her. And the physical therapist that they sent to the house said to me, "This little girl has CP." And I went, "Wait, what?" They had hoped for her that she would walk someday and that it wasn't a very severe case of CP. And then as the years turned on, we were very blessed and very fortunate because Kaylin was cognitively normal. She was learning, she was speaking, but she couldn't walk. Just her legs, her arms, her motor function wasn't working, and we took her to every specialist, but she's never gonna walk.
As a result of the cerebral palsy, Kaylin has significant mobility issues and can't use the bathroom or the stairs on her own. What's up, guys?
Hi,
What's going on?
we're so excited.
Look at camp has refreshed you. How are you? Oh. Little birdie told me that it's your guys' anniversary.
Yes, it is.
So I don't know of a better anniversary present to share with the whole family than what we're able to do to pretty much the whole back half of your house. You guys ready to see?
We're so excited.
Yeah?
Follow me.
All righty.
We did this too.
The new dining room is
Absolutely awesome.
Beautiful.
Outstanding. So modern.
way prettier than I could have ever imagined.
Love the-
and I love the color. Love the color.
Oh, look at the living room.
Look! Oh my God, it's so beautiful.
Holy moly. George to the rescue is definitely changed our lives.
We moved here back in 2003, and we love the community, of course, but we bought the home and it was very small. We only had Claudia at the time. There was an older couple living here, and Joey's bedroom was actually their dining room. And then, of course, when we had Joey, we needed that as a second bedroom, so our dining room was no more. We have a very tiny kitchen with a small table that seats two. So our normal is to have the kids eat first, have dinner, and then me and Jose have dinner when he's home. The biggest issue with our house right now is a space to come together and have a meal. It would just be nice to sit. I remember growing up and you sat at the table and you had conversations and you debated and you laughed and you joked, and it's just something my family hasn't experienced. Hello.
What's up, guys? How are ya? You guys have a nice day at the hotel?
Oh, yeah. Nice.
All right, good. Well, we've been hard at work here. As you can see, there's a little bit of a new extension where you had that crummy old sunroom before. Yeah. Kathy, you said you wanted a dining room. You wanted a place that you guys could all gather and eat together.
Yep.
Well, we built one. You want to see what it looks like?
I'm ready. Okay.
All right, let's go inside.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1. Check it all out.
Gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my God.
This is so nice.
No way. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's the cabinet. Is that the cabinet? Oh my gosh. That's the cabinet. Oh, it's beautiful. Look. Look at my china. I want you to come back and have a meal.
Well, that's why we gave you a table for 6 instead of just 4, so that I had a place to sit.
It was so spectacular, and beyond being beautiful, it's just going to change our lives, I think, and bring us together. I want to show the kids what it means to come together and really, at the end of the day, share a meal.
I was diagnosed in February of 2015 with breast cancer. It was right after my 40th birthday. I was the healthiest I've ever been in my life, and then boom.
Honestly, I didn't even know how to deal with it. It's like you're back against the wall, and it was very, very difficult. It was. And she pulled through. She's a trooper. It didn't stop her.
Raquel has been through so much, yet she continues to put others first. And because of that, I want to help her with her life-changing work by creating a very special space for the whole family.
Welcome home.
Thank you.
We're all living through this storm, and I felt like you guys, your home needs to be the eye. It needs to be that calm while the craziness goes around you. Without further ado, you want to see what we did?
Ready?
Yes.
All right, follow me.
What is happening to my life? Walking into the house, it was like walking into my heart. George!
Yes.
Oh my God. I'm speechless. I have to tell you, I'm speechless. I'm never speechless.
You're never speechless. Well, you're just getting started. You're just getting started. All right, keep on going. Keep on going. We'll save the dessert for last.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God. Oh, wow.
Look at the chandelier. Chandelier you always want.
Yes.
Well, we want to add a little glam, you know?
my
She's the only girl in a house full of boys, you know? We knew you needed more storage, so we wanted to give you more built-in. So there's organization galore.
Whose house is this, George? God.
It's your house. Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.